Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date, because patches often fix hijack behavior. Once done, open extensions and disable anything you didn't install. Extensions commonly inject Yahoo redirects. Next, change the default search engine back to Google or your preference. Make sure to delete any Yahoo entries. This sequence removes the low effort causes quickly, and it sets a clean baseline before deeper troubleshooting. Once the quick fixes are complete, perform a deep cleanup to remove persistent traces. Clear all browsing data, cached files, and cookies so old redirects stop reloading. Then reset Chrome settings to their defaults. This removes altered flags and startup pages. Finally, run Chrome's built-in cleanup tool to scan for unwanted software. This step handles stubborn hijackers that extensions and settings didn't clear. These actions address hidden changes and restore Chrome's normal behavior. If issues continue, uninstall Chrome and remove leftover profile folders so no corrupted data remains. Export bookmarks first. Reinstall the latest Chrome, create a fresh user profile, and import only your saved bookmarks to avoid reintroducing the problem. If the Yahoo redirect returns, scan your system with a trusted anti-malware tool and inspect your router's DNS settings. Sometimes the hijack lives on the network. One key tip: if redirects persist after these steps, try a different device to isolate whether the router is compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.